Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. In this episode we are going to be speaking about the ability of clairvoyance. Yes, for each and every one of you who don't know, clairvoyance is an ability that each and every one of you have which helps you to see beyond the veil into the spirit world, effectively looking through a curtain from the materialistic plane and into the realm of spirit. For those of you who don't know, the spirit world is energy and it's in abundance all around you. It's omnipresent like the air that you breathe. Although you may not see it when you demand, an abundance of scientific equipment can prove of the energy realm's existence. Now, if you are new to the channel, welcome. Into all of the long-term viewers, welcome back. I have noticed that 70% of you aren't subscribed to the channel, but watch the content. Come on, get subscribed. Smash the like button if you do enjoy this, and let's get into clairvoyance. Clairvoyance is a humanistic ability that each and every human being on this planet can use. I don't care what you've been told at your church. I don't care what you've read in a book. Fun fact, I don't read books. I don't need to read mankind's literature. I get my information direct from the spirit world. What one human being can do, every human being can do, ladies and gentlemen. There is no ifs or buts about it. Yes, I know some of you may have been conditioned by man and you've been told to hold you. Ask yourself this question. Why is it that some people believe they are the only ones that can see spirit? Why is it that some people will tell you that you need to have a gift to be able to see spirit? Why is it? There's a reason why I'm getting into all of these whys, by the way. Why is it that you went down to the local church and they told you that you couldn't see spirits unless you do this, you do? Listen, it's suppression. It's a way of controlling you and conditioning you into believing what you should be seeing and what you shouldn't be seeing. Fun fact, children from the age, well, I seen spirit from the age of 6, and I've seen the spirit world for the entirety of my adult life. The spirit world, when I see them, is no difference to me and you having a conversation one-on-one. I see spirit in their full form. I see spirit what they were wearing. And to any of you who are new to the concept of spirit, understand this. Spirits don't just wander around the streets doing shopping. They don't just go and play golf on fields. This energy realm is far different to the materialistic plane that we live. The energy realm is far more advanced, far more, and there's going to be a lot of you. I was going to say far more intelligent, but I mean, that's just common sense. I mean, I shouldn't really need to say that. The spirit world are a world of intelligence, far beyond any of your human comprehensions. It's energy, it's in its essence, and then it's intelligence in abundance. And when you start to work alongside of the spirit world effectively, you can tap into this. It's great. It's a little knowledge bank of energy. A good medium can gain information. I do this on a day-by-day basis, whether I'm giving readings, whether I'm doing investigations, bringing forward evidence. I can prove of it. Everything that I see on this channel, I can prove of it. Now, coming back to clairvoyance, if you are somebody who may have, I'd love to know down in the comment section if you have ever seen a spirit before. That's a really great topic to start things off. But a lot of you, when you try to see spirit, know that it's not going to be on your terms. Working with the spirit world is never on your terms. Fun fact. It's a two-way commitment where you have to give, and the spirit world will, in return, they will do their part. It's never you make a demand and you will see. A lot of the time when people see spirit, and if there is a lot of you who have seen spirit, you will be able to vouch for this. A lot of the time when you see a spirit, you have not been looking for a spirit. And the reason for this is very simple. When you are forcing something to work, i.e. the clairvoyant abilities, you're squeezing your little eyes and you're trying to see for it, and you because you've seen Wendy down the street who's said that if you squint really much and you look, you'll see. It doesn't work like that. The spirit world, you will see them when you are not focusing on that. So yeah, that is the ability of clairvoyance each and every one of you have. It allows you to see from the materialistic world into the energy realm. It's absolutely great. And to those of you who haven't seen spirits, I mean, like I say, there's plenty of teachings on this platform. I'll just spirit asking us to reiterate, why is it that you may have not seen a spirit yet? Now, there's going to be a lot of you who've lost loved ones, and that's maybe why you've come to this video. Or maybe you are wanting to connect with somebody who has passed over. They don't even have to be a loved one. It might be a family member. They might be anything. Yeah. You have to understand the onus is on you to deal with the grieving process before you can even see spirit. And if you are somebody who lacks an understanding an understanding, first of all, that you can gain on this platform. If you are somebody who lacks an understanding, the spirit world won't come anywhere near you. Why? Is it because they don't like you? Is it because no, it's very, very simple. They don't want to scare you. And I know there's going to be a lot of people going, oh, well, the spirit world are there to scare people. I have watched The Conjuring, Paranormal Activity. Again, ladies and gentlemen, stop basing the spirit world on man-made. Hey, it makes good entertainment. It makes very good entertainment, but understand the key word in that. It is entertainment. It is there to entertain you. If Hollywood made a movie that wasn't scary in any way, shape or form, each and every one of you would switch off. And guess what? The director of that movie would probably lose his job and never be able to make a video again. So they've got to make them scary. They've got to make the spirit world look scary. And again, you know, it is what it is. So I hope you did enjoy this video. If you did enjoy it, remember to drop this video a like, subscribe to the channel, and, you know, if you like this video, check the videos pinned at the top and left and right. I always forget what I was going to say there. But anyway, until the next time, bye-bye for now.